Hello again. I hope you're enjoying our videos. I'm going to talk now about modal verbs, and this time I'm going to focus on when we use a modal verb to deduce something. That's to say, we have good reasons for thinking that something is true or not, and make a logical assumption about something. Do watch this video right till the end. You'll find a lot of good learning here. So here's an example. It can't have been that man who stole the watch. The man I saw was much taller. So let's look at cases of something being likely. In English, there are a variety of words that we use to suggest likelihood. I assume. I bet. It's highly likely. It's bound to. It's certain to. It's sure to. I don't doubt that. There's every chance that. There's every likelihood that. I stake my life on the fact that. There's a distinct possibility that. In all probability, doubtless, the chances are that. Here are some examples. I assume they know how to get to our house. There's a distinct possibility that the government will introduce higher taxation in the spring. We're bound to find a petrol station soon. I can't see the situation changing in the foreseeable future. I don't doubt that she's honest, but there is something about her that I find unsettling. Even if you don't use all of these phrases, it's important to recognize that they indicate likelihood. On the other hand, there are also phrases that indicate something being unlikely or improbable. Here are some to help you. It's highly unlikely that. I doubt. I wouldn't bet on. I haven't got a chance to. I have a cat in hell's chance of. The odds are against. There's a slim possibility. There's a slight chance. The prospects of X are slim. There's very little chance that. Here are some examples. There's a slight chance he will win, but he faces strong opposition. The odds are against him winning. I wouldn't bet on him winning. I doubt he'll win. He hasn't got a cat in hell's chance of winning. The prospects of him winning are slim. Let's look at some sentences. Can you determine whether the following sentences you will see on the screen express likelihood of something happening or express doubts that they will happen? Number 1. The odds are against that building project securing planning permission. The answer is doubt. Number 2. I must confess to 1 or 2 reservations about your proposed essay title. The answer is doubt. Number 3. There's every chance we will be safe if we take the Valley Road as opposed to the mountain pass? The answer is likelihood. Number 4. The CEO is hardly likely to tell us about the real financial risks. The answer is doubt. Number 5. I can't see why you won't be successful in your bid. The answer is likelihood. Number 6. It's bound to happen sooner or later. The answer is likelihood. Number 7. It's highly doubtful that the seeds will grow. The answer is doubt. Number 8. Don't bet on there being a positive answer. They're renowned for being cautious. The answer is doubt. Number 9. I do believe that, in spite of what has been said at this meeting, that the student deserves another chance. The answer is likelihood. Number 10. Presumably, she'll have found the restaurant by now. The answer is likelihood. Now choose the best phrase to complete the following statements. Pause the screen and think about what the best answer is going to be. Then I will reveal the answer. Number 1. There is a far, distinct, obvious, rare possibility that she will indeed be able to attend the opening ceremony. The best answer is distinct. There is a distinct possibility that she will indeed be able to attend the opening ceremony. Number 2. The new recruit is bound to, presumably, hardly, make a significant impact on our profit margins. The best answer is bound to. The new recruit is bound to make a significant impact on our profit margins. Number 3. There will suitably, a chance, inconceivably, certainly, be a good reason to choose this company if they come up with a respectable offer. The best possible answer is certainly. There will certainly be a good reason to choose this company if they come up with a respectable offer. Number 4. We have our beliefs, views, reservations, confidence about the proposed scheme to test this vaccine on chimpanzees? The best answer is reservations. We have our reservations about the proposed scheme to test this vaccine on chimpanzees. Number 5. We are in little, any, a certain, distant doubt as to the whereabouts of the perpetrator of this crime. The best answer is little. We are in little doubt as to the whereabouts of the perpetrator of this crime. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.